Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the prepositions used for countries and cities. For example, when to use on, a, o, etc. We'll be taking a few countries to understand the concept. These countries include Philippines, China, Japan and Iran. Let's talk about plural countries first. Now, how can we identify these plural countries? Well, it's quite easy. Plural countries end with an S. For example, the Philippines, les Philippines. Now, if we want to use preposition for destination, which is going to some place, and if I want to say I go to Philippines, I would say je vais aux Philippines. O as in a, u, x. Now, if I want to use the prepositions for origin, that is, if I want to say I come from Philippines, I would say je viens des Philippines. They as in they, a, s. And now, for countries starting with a vowel, for example, Iran, if I want to say I go to Iran, I would say je vais en Iran, as in a, n. And if I want to say I come from Iran, I would say je viens d'Iran. Now, let's talk about the feminine countries. How do we identify these feminine countries? Well, feminine countries end with an E. So, we are taking the example of Shein. Now, if I want to say I go to China, how would I say it? I would say je vais en Chine. Je vais en Chine. And now, if I want to say I come from China, I would say je viens de Chine. Now, let's talk about our masculine countries. Well, masculine countries generally do not end with an E. For example, Japan. If I want to say I go to Japan, I would say je vais au Japon. O as in a, u. And if I want to say I come from Japan, I would say je viens du Japon. Lastly, let's talk about our cities. Well, in the case of the cities, it's quite simpler because we always use a. So, we'll take Paris and Tokyo as an example. So, if I want to say I go to Paris, I would say je vais à Paris. And if I want to say I go to Tokyo, I would say je vais à Tokyo. That's it. I hope this helps. See you next time.